Hello guys, welcome to Vroom with Kiran Sachin. And today I am going to Saraswati Engineering College. I am very much excited for Sahyadri accessories being shown on display. So, but basically, who are Sahyadri motorcycle accessories and things? It's basically if you want to get your bikes modified as per your requirement, so that you can tour on it in the remote places, and you don't want to harm your bike. So they make all sorts of guards on bikes and whole lot. So he is the guy behind Sahyadri motorcycle accessories and everything. He is Bhushan Karde. I'll introduce to him later on. माती मुद्दाम लावून आणली काय? माती मुद्दाम लावून आणली? Okay, okay. This is the Pulsar 220. Hello guys, welcome to Vroom with Kiran Sachin, and as we have been riding till Kharghar Saraswati College, so I'm not excited for those super bikes, but I'm excited to see creation of Bhushan Karde Sahyadri accessories. So I will not talk much about it. You can see this Dominar, this Pulsar NS 200, this AS 200. So I'll let Bhushan to talk about it. Bhushan, I'm just overwhelmed to see your product, and that's why I took a half-day leave and came to see your creation. So thanks for making these wonderful accessories for riders like us.
Thanks Sachin for that lovely introduction. Basically the idea behind Sahyadri was to make adventure motorcycling more accessible to people in India, because right now the touring market in India is coming up. We've got a lot of beautiful high capacity motorcycles, but we don't have any accessories to make touring more comfortable, safer. That is why Sahyadri has come up with a lot of accessories, in terms of protection, in terms of ergonomics, in terms of luggage solutions, which they'll help the bike riders have a better tour, overall.
Can you see that bash plate? Wow. I mean, this guy is just too good. And I wanted to ask you what kind of material you use, because I used to have accessories on my Bullet, but those carriers or the metal they used to use in those used to get rusted very fast, and that used to get broken very often than any other original or OEM parts with the bike. So what kind of materials do you use?
So right now we are using mild steel, and that is either PU painted or powder coated. The materials we take it from the vendors that have prior connections with oil and gas industry. So the material is genuine and quality tested already by the manufacturers. So when you use better material, when you use better protective systems, the rust problem does not arise. The materials that we are using, like the guards are normally made from 1 in 16 gauge mild steel. The material is very strong and the bike gets protected.
So he is the guy who has made this. So he'll just stand and demonstrate how strong it is. So I don't have much questions. Just one more question. I like the name of your project or what your Sahyadri. So what it represents.
मी मराठीत बोलतो कारण मी महाराष्ट्रातला जन्मलेलो आहे आणि आपली सह्याद्री जी माउंटन रेंज आहे दॅट हॅज ऑलवेज बीन अ फॅसिनेशन फॉर अस अँड वी वॉन्टेड द ब्रँड टू हॅव अ इंडियन अ मराठी अँड अ सेन्स ऑफ ॲडव्हेंचर टू इट. दॅट इज हाऊ वी हॅव कम अप विथ द नेम सह्याद्री. आपल्या मराठी मुळी माणसांसाठी आणि इंडियाच्या लोकांसाठी दिस इज अ मराठी नेम वाला ब्रँड.
ओके, तर राजमाचीला नेक्स्ट टाईम जायचं असेल तर पहिला सह्याद्रीकडे आहे आणि नंतर सह्याद्रीत जा. थँक्स भूषण. Mandar is also here.
Hi.
He's Mandar, friend of mine. So if you like this video, do give it a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. Until the time, keep grooming.